This is a smaller platter from the two we have in the Ellesmere pattern made by Copeland Spode. This one's date stamped 1954. It's 10.25 inches long and just over 7 inches wide. Ellesmere patterns this very attractive hand-coloured floral design. The green blockwork, very of its era. Ellesmere was manufactured from mid-1930s through to late 1950s. There's the factory stamps. Whole variety of them there. We've got a transferred Copeland Spode England Ellesmere specific factory transfer stamp, Copeland Spode England impress marks, and S54 for September 54. And then we've got the decorators marks, so we get that up the right way. There we go, 2468. A little difficult to read on that one, picked out in the sort of colour palette on that rose design where the decorators have hand coloured. Some of them are green, some of them are blue, some of them are red decorators marks depending on which brush they've set and used to put that on. Got two platters in this set. They were a graduated set. The middle one in the graduation was so badly damaged it's not fit for sale, but we've got this smaller one and the much larger platter in Ellesmere for very attractive dresser display with the flatware that's also available and being listed. So if you're looking for specific pieces or looking to put together a mixed set for a display, then Ellesmere is available in a variety of sizes and shapes on the website, so do have a browse through. Thanks for watching.